Welcome everybody back to Advanced Inheritance Concepts Exercise 7. So what are we doing in this particular exercise? Tells us Cullerton Park District holds a mini Olympics each summer. Create a class called Participants. It's already been created for us right here. With fields name, address, and street address, so we just put them here. Name, N, age, A. An address we're going to have is add. Okay, we'll put those variables in here. Then we're going to include a constructor that assigns parameter values to each field and a toString method that returns a string containing all the values. So here, for instance, we have the getName method. So we're going to be putting in here, right, return name. For our getAge method here, we're going to put in return age. And for here, we'll put in here return address. Under this method code, we're going to change, we're going to return name, age, and address. And here we're going to do a method to determine if they're equal. So we're going to start it out, have a Boolean. We're going to set if equals is false. We're going to check to see if name is equal to getName, and if age is equal to getAge, and if address is equal to getAddress. They're equal, then we're going to return our equals. Okay? Pretty straightforward here. So let's get started here. So I want to post my private variables here. So I have a private variable with a string called name. Now you have another private variable called age, private int age. Now I want a private string called address. Now we're going to assign code here to make name be n, int be a, and address be add. So we set name as n, age is a, address is add. Now we're going to return name here. We're going to return age here. And we're going to return address here. Now we're going to return the name, age, and address to the user. Now for our participants equal method, I want to set a Boolean value with a variable are equal to false. Now I'm going to compare names, see if they're equal. Now I'm going to nest under that a code to see if the age is equal. And now I'm going to nest under that an if clause to see if the address is equal. Now if all these are equal, I'm going to return are equal. So now this program is done. So we continue on with this thing. It says create an application with two arrays of at least 8 participants each. One holds participants in the mini marathon and the other holds participants in the driving competition. Prompt the user for participant values. After the data values are entered, display value for the participants or in both events. So I come over here to 2 event participants. Looks like everything's already filled out for us. Well, then let's go and let's run the code. So now it tells me enter mini marathon participants. So I'm going to enter a name. Johnny. Enter age. Should I say 15? Address. How about 123 Main Street? Another person. Okay, let's put in Carmen. Let's put in age 12. Let's do 4, 5, 6, 7th Street. All right, another one. Put in art. 987 5th Street. Let's put in Malik in there. He's pretty fast, okay? Let's give him 771 14th Street. Hey, so we passed. So let's check here for details. Doesn't give me any. All right, there you go.